Well, hello kids! Now I'm here to record another video with the intention to explain you with my words what is generalization and what is draw conclusions. Maybe you already saw the videos from Pearson platform because you are very smart, and maybe you already understood what is every one of the concepts. But I'm going to start by explaining you what is generalization. Generalization is when you say a statement that rules the information that you already read before, or maybe the information that you watched before on TV or in internet, or maybe in the magazine or the newspaper that you already read. So, generalize is to say a statement, it could be shorter or it could be longer, that rules all the information that you got before. For example, nowadays, the topic is the coronavirus. Maybe you read the information in a magazine, or you read the information in the internet article, or you maybe watch the news on TV. So gathering all the information, you can do a generalization from that topic. It could be that the generalization is everybody thinks that coronavirus is very dangerous. Or it could be coronavirus is very dangerous to all. Or everybody thinks coronavirus is gonna be stopping very soon. So that kind of generalizations are the rules that you can conclude even when you are watching or reading or listening the details that help you to do the generalization. Also, I wrote some clue words that are going to help you to generalize. You can add the clue words everybody, all, generally, or many. For example, using generally is more common to generalize. For example, you can say, generally, the people watch the news on the TV. That's a generalization because maybe not all the people are going to be able to see the news on the TV. But it's a generalization that you gather or that you conclude about the information that you had before. So, draw conclusions. Sorry for the cartels, but it's the way that I can show you. I don't have my blackboard. So, draw conclusions. What are the draw conclusions? The draw conclusions is all the statements that you get at the end when you already read the information from a paragraph, from a book, from an author's article, or maybe from a story. So, what is draw conclusion? Is the statement that you conclude at the end, and you need to find out the supporting ideas or the details that help you to support your conclusion. Imagine again that you read an article from the coronavirus. So you can draw a conclusion by telling, the coronavirus is the worst disease or the worst virus ever. That's a conclusion because you already read the information before, or maybe because you watched the TV news before. So they are similar, the generalization and the draw conclusions, but the draw conclusion have another thing that is important to remember. You have the prior knowledge. For example, if you are talking about the coronavirus and you said the coronavirus is the worst virus ever, how do you know? Because maybe you already know that there are many kind of viruses, and then they can affect the body, the human's body. So that's the reason that you can make a draw conclusion by using your prior knowledge. And also, you need to be sure that you have the supporting ideas. You cannot do a draw conclusion about something that is not in the reading, or is not in the article, or is not in the passage. Imagine that you are talking or you are reading an article about coronavirus, and the draw conclusion could be, I like the chocolate cakes. That's not related to the coronavirus article. Remember, all the things that you use to support your draw conclusions need to be from the passage that you read before. It's the same when you do a generalization, you need to add the supporting ideas or the supporting details to make it good. So until now, I hope that you are doing good, and I'm going to start by recording the next video. Wait for it. Bye bye. Blessings you all.